This is Mike Zuzolo of Global Commodity Analytics in Atchison, Kansas with your weekly livestock update for November 14th. Winter weather in the U.S. coupled with a positive holiday seasonal in the cash meat markets have helped rally the hogs and cattle at the CME this week. Heading into the end of the week's trade, December hogs have rallied about 3% and are just shy of testing their 40-day moving average. We haven't seen that tested for about a month. These live cattle have also rallied this week as box beef prices are helping to offset processors going after more pork a little more aggressively as they typically do this time period of the seasonal as we go into the U.S. holidays. Choice box beef remains well above $250 a hundredweight. That's nice to see, especially when it comes to the processors going after the pork. Extremely cold weather for this time of year has also hit the central plains of the U.S. and eastern Kansas. For instance, this morning we were at 13 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 25 degrees below normal for this time of year. This is helping keep the feeders under pen, in my view, as traders are nervous about lost weight and slower movement if this Arctic blast lasts for another week as expected. Weekly export sales on Friday from the USDA are going to be really important, in my opinion, for the next 5 days in terms of trading price ranges and whether we're going to be able to extend gains. Stronger demand is especially important in the cattle as historically high retail prices for beef are starting to shift menus at major restaurant chains away from beef and toward poultry and chicken. Another big key to the price action, maybe more in the medium term though, is the prospects for higher feed costs starting to chew into profitability on finishing poultry, hogs, and cattle. Soy meal, for instance, those costs are surging. I wonder how long it will take before we see weights start to drop, and that may impact and extend the life of this rally as well in the livestock future. So let's be watching for that. Until next time, this is Mike Zuzolo.